definitely give it a try, because every single year, all my leads translate into more and more work, and it definitely makes it worth it.
I get 30% of my leads from this show for the rest of the year. Not a joke, 30%.
You're always the first.
Oh my.
So you had a good show, and you find that you got a good traffic through here?
Yeah, very good traffic. Yes, it was really good.
I've been working personally with a person named Barbara, and she's been awesome. So far, so good, and we're definitely going to be coming back.
I already booked for next year. I'll probably be doing it until I am retired. As long as the show's here, I'll be here.